Are you coming to visit Carolyn, you guys? Yeah.
What?
Yeah. How did you guys get out, huh? How did you guys get out? Not, you guys don't normally have two of you guys out here. Hey. They're not used to being out. So I'm going to herd them back over to their...
Look at the other friends are all in a line trying to figure out how to get out.
Okay, I got to go get food. So I'm going to... Ausia's over here making our ducks some apple chop. Maybe is that what we would call it, is apple chop.
Well, they seem to like the apples, but they were having a hard time with it, so I'm chopping it up into little pieces.
Yeah, these apples have a lot of bug holes in them, so...
Yeah, they're natural, no pesticides, so...
Yeah.
It happens.
So they'll like that. So I was just giving them a nice chop so that they...
Don't choke on it?
Yeah, ducks don't really have the ability. The ducks that we're going to go feed actually have little razor teeth in there, but I don't think that they can like chomp onto an apple.
Right,
so
it's not like chewing.
Yeah, so we're going to go over there and feed them. That again. All right, I was just going to... Here, feed them over here, Ausia, because they have more room. If you feed them over there, they're going to climb all over each other.
Quack, quack. Come on, quack, quack.
Come on.
They're like getting, I gotta get my water.
They gotta get their water first.
Everybody's lining up.
Come on, babies. There. It's so crazy. I cleaned that pool this morning, but that's how it goes. Oh, they love that.
They're like, I don't know, I'm trying to chew it, but it's hard.
And if you guys notice, you don't hear any quacking. These ducks, they don't quack. They hiss. Oh, you might be able to hear them. Can you?
Oh, they're biting each other.
Oh, yeah, they do that. All right. We're going to leave the ducks to their apple desserts. Okay guys, so Scotty's out there mowing the lawn, and I thought I'd come in here and make some taco salad for the girls and for Scotty and I. And then as soon as I'm done, I'll take it over to the girls and give them some dinner. Alright. Okay guys, so since you're going to probably see me on Ausia's video with no makeup on, no hairdo done, I figured I'd go ahead and film too. So I just took those guys over some taco salad. So I don't know when their videos will air, but yep, they got me on my Sunday afternoon hairdo and makeup. And then Scotty's over here
watching the Seahawks game, which is over now, and they won, so happy for now.
I'm not sure why our focus is all out, or our camera's all out of focus, but something just happened to my camera a minute ago. It did something weird when I was texting the girls telling them dinner was ready, so I don't know what happened, but anyways, yep, I just took those guys over to some taco salad, and now I'm gonna serve Scotty some taco salad. It's just a good meal for a Sunday evening. And it is really rainy here, you guys. The girls have been over in their area. We've got a new gal here, Carrie, and her channel is 70. I'm gonna have to look it up.
78 degrees?
No.
Chasing 70?
Chasing 70 degrees. So if you get a chance, look up her channel. She came here, Ausia and her were going to go hiking today. But you guys, it is so nasty here. Let me take you out here. It's just gray, and it's not raining right now, but oops, it's been raining all day long pretty much, so it's just a little bit of a slack time right now where it's not raining, but it's gray and miserable. It's the reason that Scott and I are getting out of Washington. I just don't want to be here during the rainy season. I'm glad that it's raining because we have forest fires now over in the Cascades, which are east of us, and hopefully they're going to help, you know, put those out and everything. Anyways, I'm going to feed Scotty and feed myself, and we'll see you guys later on. Okay guys, I want to give you guys one tip for using paper plates. If you go to a dollar store, or maybe even the Goodwill, you can pick these little pizza pans up for $1, and then you just put your paper plate on here, and it makes it a lot sturdier, and you can put other things over here too. Plus, then you have a pizza tray that you can use, or if you want to make cookies, if you guys use your oven in your RVs. So it's just a multi-purpose thing in your camper, so you don't have to have floppy paper plates. So that's my tip for the night. Irie, I don't want to play with that. I want to play. It's night-night time. It's night-night time. You've been out playing with Moo-moo all day. I know. No, I don't want to play. Oh. So this is what Irie does at night. It's 11 o'clock, Scott's sleeping, and I was just answering comments on the computer, and Irie brought me her toy. And this happens every night. She decides that it's toy time. And then a lot of times I have to put her toys up here in the closet. Yeah, I don't want to play. You've been out playing with Moo-moo all day long. You should be tired. I don't want to play, Irie. It's night-night time. Night-night, Irie. This will go on for a while until I take it away and put it in the closet. I don't want to play. No. I don't want. Irie. Irie. Oh. That's what she does to me. Oh. I love you, Irie. Everybody's watching your shenanigans. Yeah, everybody's watching you. Huh? She's spoiled. Yeah, you spoiled girl, huh? You guys can probably hear Scotty over here snoring. Alright, Irie. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Grandma's gotta go to bed. Ausia and Carolyn are gonna get up early tomorrow, and I'm not gonna get up with them because I'll be too tired. Alright, good night, guys.